I'm inspired by youth-led political movements, whether they be local ones like We the Students Do Not Consent and March for Our Education, to global climate strikes and Fridays for Future. In all of these movements, youth are being really courageous, organizing around issues like human rights, climate change, and education. As we head into 2020, we really need to think about how sustainable our political movements are. In the last few years, the Me Too movement has really highlighted for the general public that sexual violence is a public health crisis. What we haven't seen the media do is focus their intervention on sexual violence prevention. That movement is coming, and I'm one of those people organizing it. My name is Emily Moorhouse. I'm organizing for a future without sexual violence.